Hey there. Today I'm diving into something that's shaking up economies all across Africa. Falling oil prices. The big question is Africa ready? As of May 20th, 2025, crude oil is trading at around $62 per barrel. Now this price drop means different things for different African countries, so let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the oil exporting giants like Nigeria, Angola, Gabon, and Equatorial Guinea. These countries are heavily dependent on oil exports to fund their budgets. Imagine this: oil makes up a massive chunk of their GDP and foreign exchange earnings. So when oil prices drop, their revenues take a hit. This often means budget cuts, austerity measures, and slashing public spending, which can affect crucial social services. Take Angola, for instance. With oil revenue making up about 70% of its total revenue, the country risks economic slowdown and potential social instability. And that's not all. Currency depreciation often tags along with falling oil prices in these nations. Their foreign currency source weakens, making dollar-denominated debt more expensive and fueling inflation. Not exactly a recipe for investor confidence, right? Less foreign direct investment in the oil and gas sector can follow suit. But wait, there's a flip side. For Africa's oil-importing countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, falling oil prices can be a good thing. Lower oil prices mean they spend less on imports, easing pressure on their foreign exchange reserves. This can lower transportation and energy costs, which might even reduce inflation. That's more disposable income for consumers and lower operating expenses for businesses. Economic growth? Yes, please. Now let's zoom out and look at the broader energy picture. Lower oil prices could slow down renewable energy projects, especially solar, because fossil fuels become relatively cheaper in the short term. But here's the kicker. Experts believe that the long-term trend of declining renewable costs and sustainability focus will keep pushing solar and other renewables forward. Falling oil prices won't be a major roadblock. So, what's the takeaway here? The impact of falling oil prices on Africa is a mixed bag. For oil-exporting countries, it's a storm that might require them to diversify their economies to weather. For oil-importing countries, it's a silver lining offering economic relief. And for the renewable energy sector, the journey towards cleaner energy is likely to continue, albeit with some short-term bumps. African nations need to stay strategic and adaptive. Navigating the ups and downs of oil price volatility is crucial for sustainable economic development. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.